Excelsiola accordion. This is made by Excelsior. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons. There are 3 reeds in the treble, low, middle, and high, with 7 switches on the treble side as well as a master palm switch. I'll go through the switches so you can hear what they sound like. This is the bassoon, melodeon, organ, master, clarinet, that's your middle and high, oboe, middle, and piccolo, your high reed. There are 3 switches on the bass side, master, This is a very classic design Excelsior accordion. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.